Meaning of extortionately.
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 Extortionately. Extortionately means to demand or charge an excessive amount of money or resources. When someone charges extortionate prices, they are taking advantage of others and exploiting their need or desire for something. This can result in a significant financial burden for those who cannot afford or who are unwilling to pay such high costs. It can also lead to a breakdown in trust between parties and damage to relationships. Ultimately, extortionate practices prioritize personal gain over fairness and mutual benefit, and can have negative consequences for individuals and society as a whole.